Don't fall, don't fall.
You don't walk where I walk. I'm a prime example of what not to do.
Good morning. It is, well, it's afternoon probably for you, but it is Friday. Happy Friday, everyone. And me and my sister trekked through all the snow to go buy a lock.
It's fucking slippery, okay?
She's waddling, guys. Okay, I'm putting my phone away because it's cold. My hands are cold. Goodbye. We made it. Here's it. We gotta go down the hill now. Fun. We just came out the store and it's snowing way more than when we got in, and we're slipping and sliding walking up this hill and walking back to the house. So hopefully we don't fall. We haven't fallen yet. Hopefully it stays that way. Especially because I'm not going to be recording and I want it on video if one of us falls. But wish for us, and I'll see you later, I guess. Oh shit, I almost just fell again. It's a winter wonderland. Look, I am covered. We're not even there yet.
Look at your fucking hair!
Look at my hair, oh my god! It's like I'm a snowman.
It's like a fucking covered pom-pom tree.
My phone is getting soaked, but I just had to show you how much fucking snow was falling. Like, it is coming down. The skies are literally white. All you can see is snow everywhere. But we're almost there. Oh shit! I almost fell like 5 times already. But I didn't fall yet. Jesus. Our street's like 3 streets away, so yeah. Eyes. We just got on our street and it's coming down even harder. Look at my hair! Oh my god! We're going to the house and this is how I'm pulling up. Bruh. This is how I'm pulling up to the house. Do you see me right now? All you can see is white. Bro! It's a damn blizzard up here. London.
What?
Come be in my vlog.
No.
Why?
No.
'Cause why?
No.
That's not an answer. I'm recording. Anyways, today I went to Walmart and I seen a horse. It was awesome. I'll show you the footage after this. And I got my Secret Santa, the present, finally. So yay me. It's dumb and they probably won't like it, but it's okay because I tried. Yeah. Here comes the horse. Been horse, guys, at Walmart. Just Walmart. Just. So I just wanted to show you guys what I've been doing all day is actually wrapping all these presents after shopping forever, and there's still some to go. That's, yeah, some of our mess. That's what we still have to wrap, and this is where my mom's been doing it, and I did it on the floor here and on the floor over there. Just so cute. Look at me. Also, there's the 2 cookie jars because she thought this one was a snowman when we picked it up from, like, my grandma's house. It was in a box, whatever, and she thought it was a snowman, so she made me grab it, but it's not. Cookie? Is it pretty? Come on. You want it? Is it pretty? Come here. Come on. Is it pretty? Want to grab it with your hands? No.
Love you, baby.
This is me just putting up the van. You can see in the beginning I got like tape, and then near the end I'm like, what even? Because the heart is not what I want it to be. But I fixed it, and you'll see at the end the final project. Right before this, I was listening to music with my sis. Couldn't record, but this is the Vani wall coming together slowly. You can kind of see the Vani wall behind me. It's not finished, but it's mostly done. The heart looks a little awkward. I don't know why. Probably because I got 4x4s instead of the bigger ones. But that's it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on post notifications, and follow my social media link down below. So it's finally, it's where we need it to be right now. Got a new Vani like thing here. And mood. This week's mood is a green heart because Christmas is coming. And my little yep. Because
My favorite emoji.
yep, that's my little Vani emoji, so that's that. Bye! Watching. I hope everyone has a safe and happy holidays. Bye! You want to know something funny that happened while I was at my mom's?
What?
She was outside in her car smoking, and I went out there to scare her, and I jumped out the car and like hit the car window and was like, "Are you my mother?" And she turns to me and she goes, "Ah!" And then she opens the car door and she hits me in the nose with the car door because she said she thought she was getting carjacked.
Oh.
So I got beat with the car door while I was going to my mom's. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, that really happened.
Oh my gosh, are you okay?
Yeah, my nose it doesn't even hurt. Like, I thought I'd be like bruised or something. It doesn't even hurt.
Guys, we can see what 10 really was.
What is it?
Let's see. We're doing this holiday
Oh,
puzzles
I already cheated and did it.
Oh. What was it?
The
Trim?
logs. The wood you put in fire is logs.
And then 3 was to decorate a tree.
Trim.
Trim.
Didn't make a lot of sense, but okay.
Okay, never mind.
Go on.
Oh, sorry. We're just doing these holiday puzzles. I want to get through the whole book. So she's helping me.
Yep.
Oh, this is my eraser. It's a little witch. Let's see if you can see it. Here's the face, and then in the back is the hair. Yeah, that's my eraser.